company is an integrated manufacturing company engaged in the production, marketing and service of 1 to 8 series aluminum plates, aluminum rolls and aluminum foil of more than 30 alloy strips. Our main products include aluminum plate, aluminum coil, foil, cable foil, electronic capacitor foil, flexible packaging foil, pattern pedal, embossed aluminum coil, mirror aluminum plate, anodized aluminum plate, aluminum can and lid, variation aluminum molds, aluminum material, coated aluminum roll for curtain wall and so on. Also, we provide services of OEM/ODM. Our products have been widely applied in lighting, architectural decoration, solar reflector, transportation, shipbuilding, energy and power, petrochemical, automobile manufacturing, interior and exterior car decoration, household applicants, electronic and consumer electronics, printing, sign, nameplates, luggage and packaging and other fields. Customers from all over the globe have come to trust our high-quality products and services. Our best-selling products are exported overseas to North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East and other markets. Our company is headquartered in Zhengzhou and factory is located in China's commercial center, Gongyi City, Henan Province. Both locations provide our company with distinctive logistical and administrative advantages. With the equipment of hot continuous rolling mills, continuous casting machines, 4-roll irreversible cold rolling mills and 4-roll irreversible foil rolling mills, ABB trade tools, tension leveling machine, annealing furnace, slitting line, furnace, 2000 color coating production line and others, our company achieves the annual output of 200,000 tons. Our company has introduced the most advanced production machinery in order to provide optimally efficient production and lower overall costs for clients. Our company owns and operates 2 semi-continuous casting production lines, 2 continuous casting and rolling production lines, 4 cold rolling mills, 2 mirror aluminum continuous rolling production lines, 1 medium-thick plate mirror aluminum polishing line, 6 kinds of patterns plate production lines, 1 2000 color coating production lines, high-speed CNC automatic precision cutting line, and other international leading production and processing equipment. These production lines and devices ensure the processing thickness of 0.01-300 mm and width of 11-3100 mm to realize accurate production and customization. All these advanced production lines and production equipment allows our company to produce enough volume so that you will never be left waiting for a long lead time. All of our professional and technical personnel complete production strictly in accordance with standards like our national GB/T5237-2000, European, USA, New Zealand and other national standards. We set strict policy on the selection of raw materials to ensure the trustworthy quality of our products. The quality inspections in the production line ensure the excellent performance of our products. Our company's Quality Inspection Center has set up as a leading quality inspection laboratory, chemical analysis laboratory, oil analysis laboratory, spectral analysis laboratory, stretching laboratory, micro-analysis laboratory and so on. To check raw materials and monitor production processes for a very thorough quality control program. Our company's special anodized surface treatment helps anodized aluminum plate improve the anti-fingerprint, corrosion resistance, anti-UV, anti-aging, high reflectivity. Aluminum alloy can be used in more fields. The service life of textured aluminum alloy has been extended. They ensure 99.7 or more aluminum purity, 85 or more mirror reflectivity, 94 or more clarity. Our mirror aluminum coils are made of 1070 and above high-purity substrates. color-coated aluminum roll is widely used in manufacturing of aluminum composite panels, aluminum ceilings and roofs, aluminum veneer, signs, metal composite panels, metal roof system and A2-grade aluminum composite panels. Our company aluminum composite board is featured by low prices, firmness and lightweight compared with honeycomb panels and aluminum corrugated board. Made of pure metal materials without plastic ingredients. A2-grade fireproofing aluminum composite board is absolutely environmentally friendly and fireproof. Pure low-strength aluminum alloy contains mostly aluminum content. It features admirable corrosion resistance, anodic oxidation and coating property. Pure aluminum alloy excels when compared with other aluminum alloys' machinability. Our company aluminum plate combined with various alloys. Compared with other suppliers, we improved in mechanical properties and chemical indicators. Our company is a comprehensive manufacturer of several categories of aluminum-based products. No matter what the aluminum application you require, please come to our company first and we will provide you with the highest quality and the most cost-effective aluminum product solution.